Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you guys would just quickly hit that like button, I'd appreciate it. Help me out. I'd appreciate it a lot. Anyways guys, let's get on to today's video. So yesterday we got to this box over here, and then today, this isn't in order, but just kind of walking my way through here. So we used the ramp and kind of scooted it back and forth, worked our way along. Got this going down, had to offset a little bit right here, like an inch, because there's a piece of plywood right there, so that was annoying. So I had to move that over. So we did an offset right there, and then a box offset, so it turned out really good. The pipe was kind of crooked, I believe, so kind of bent it back, and it looks really good right now. You can't even tell that it's bent. And then just strapped it up to the ceiling. The ceiling is also kind of wonky, I believe. I'm not sure if it was just the pipe, but anyways, got that strapped up to the ceiling, so that looks super nice. And then that goes all the way over to here, to this 90. And then it goes to the next device right here. Boom, 90-90. And then through another 3-point saddle. And then over here, didn't want to go with a 4-point just to save some degrees. So I just did a wide 3-point right here. Actually, I don't know. I think my coworker bent that one, but anyways. Kind of took turns bending stuff, but he's been bending most of it, just getting him some more practice, so hopefully he doesn't mind that. So just teaching him and showing him how to do stuff, so that's good. And then just kind of kicked it over here with the 45 or something into this box, and that's where this side ends. And then from yesterday, around the corner, give me a second here to walk. Yesterday we ended right here, I think with this one stick right about in here, and then finished this today going down here, turn the corner right there, and then I ended the day right here, starting up on the cameras, drilled that hole out, and then I'll be taking that 3/4 pipe from there over to this silver rod right there, and that'll be a camera. But continuing on with the fire alarm, finished basically all of it except this last piece, which we can't really get to. So we 90'd here and then all the way down here, so that turned out good. Shot a laser down from there to there. All this part from this column back is going to be under insulation, but we basically just followed this crack right here, and it's pretty straight, but we did laser the last part just to make sure. So we kind of changed it a little bit right here. So we just kind of went a couple inches off and shot a laser, but as you can see, the crack is pretty straight, but didn't want to risk it. And then at the very end over here, just kicked a pipe out over here, or took a box offset as usual, and then just started to stick a pipe out over here. And then later this pipe will run over this whatever driveway right here, ramp. So there, a box will be like right over in here somewhere, but probably just gonna wait for a bigger lift unless we switch to the orange lift and use the ramp again. There's the ramp right there, so you set that down and drive out on the ramp, because if you have the lift at an angle, it gets really pissed off and doesn't really want to work and let you up that high, because it's unsafe and you can fall over, and safety precautions or whatever. So anyways, just gonna have to 3-point over this and then box offset into the red fire alarm box when we get to that. So that's all the fire alarm except this last piece right there. And then we're gonna start working on wiring these, pulling all the wire through the pipes in the next couple days, and then sticking all the MC into the boxes as well. So I'm gonna take these coils of wire that I did like a month or two ago, finally stick those in the box, and then we're gonna go through and drill all the anchor points for the lights, because the lights are, most of these lights are gonna be north and south, but some of them are gonna be east and west as well, just depending on where the parking is at. So some of them will, like on these, I think my coworker said the ones on the ends are gonna be east and west, and the ones in the middle are gonna be north and south. So anyways, I think the point is that they're trying to have the light, if the car is here, they're trying to have the light opposite, perpendicular or whatever. So anyways, that's the plan. Start pulling wire, hanging anchor points for the lights, for supports, I think we're gonna go with the lights off center, not directly to the box anymore. So put the lights off to the side and then just run a whip into the box and then make it up. So otherwise, if you have a problem with the light later, it's gonna be a nightmare trying to take the light off of the box and mount it to, and then finding the wire or whatnot. You're gonna have to take apart a whole bunch of lights or whatnot to find the problem. So it's just gonna be easier if we don't do that. And so yeah, onto the cameras. So we got it's basically all the 2-inch boxes that we ran before. So there's gonna be a camera coming out of that box in the corner by that stairwell, camera coming out of this box that I showed you earlier, coming out of there. And then there's gonna be a camera coming out of, I don't think there's one coming out of that corner, maybe, possibly. But the last camera is going to be from this box right here, and it's gonna come out, and then it's gonna have the 3-point saddle over this lighting pipe again. My camera's probably gonna run out of storage in a second, but that's basically all the video that, where the camera, this might be the camera right there, but there's a camera somewhere in here. So yeah, that wraps up today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around for all the support. You guys are awesome, and you guys make YouTube fun. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, once again, drop it a like, I'd appreciate it. And yep, that will do it. Subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do uploads or live streams. Been doing some random live streams lately, so make sure to stick around for those. And yeah, if you want to be notified if you want to see when I upload videos, that's another way, if you hit the notification bell. Alright guys, that'll do it. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.